Calendar flip animation in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion application on your device. Once the app launches, locate the Create New Project button at the top of the screen and tap it to start a new project. Adjust the project settings according to your needs, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, locate the plus button near the bottom of the screen and tap it to add media to your timeline. Browse your files and import the calendar footage that you want to animate. After importing the calendar footage, add a background behind it to improve the overall appearance of the animation. Press the plus button again and create a background layer using a solid color of your choice. Place this background layer underneath the calendar footage in the timeline so that it remains visible behind the animation. Next, select the calendar footage layer by tapping on it. Once the layer is selected, open the Effects section. Inside the Effects menu, press Add Effect to access the Effect Browser. The Effect Browser contains a wide variety of effects that can be applied to your footage. Use the search feature or browse through the available categories until you find the page curl effect. When you locate it, tap on the effect to add it to the selected calendar layer. After applying the effect, choose the transition and preset to create a page flipping animation that resembles a calendar page turning. Once the preset has been applied, return to the calendar footage layer and open the effect settings. Locate the page curl controls and begin adjusting the available parameters. For smoother motion, open the graph editor and apply easing curves to the animation. Adjust the curve until the movement feels natural and fluid. Continue refining the remaining settings until you are satisfied with the result. You have now successfully created a calendar flip animation in Alight Motion.